Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Would the actually no? Me sorry.
I don't know what to mean by it.
Oh, Debbie, and then oh, shed ye me why ye are. Oh, me to ma.
Let's just a one pass sorry.
Oh, I like church. I'm a Christian.
When was the last time you went to church?
Oh, that's what I told you. I'm not living here. I'm living UK. That's what you see me. Yeah.
But you go to church in the UK?
Oh, yeah. Every day I go to church. Yeah.
Every day? Or every Sunday?
Oh, yeah. Every day. Yeah.
Every day?
Yeah. I'm a pastor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite quotation in the Bible?
Luke 16:19.
What does
yeah. The Bible say, the rich man, or sorry, you know, and was me cry, Didi, Nanom, one the pabebre, the mao, na radicatan say, Okwasia, and Majoka, everyone, some.
I think you like to tell fibs. I don't have time.
No, listen. I can lie you don't know me. Huh? What's
your name?
You name my name?
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is KOD. Actually, Mr. KOD.
KOD?
Yes.
Kofi Ocheridafu. What's that for?
Me no. Me disguise him.
What is guy say from who?
Oh no, listen. We talk later.
But I know KOD, you are not KOD.
No, I'm not saying KOD, no.